Hi, hello, Leah of Austin. I just want to greet you a happy birthday, my friend, and I wish you more birthdays to come, more candles to blow, and good health always, okay? And nagpapasalamat ako dahil nakilala kita sa YT World as a new friend. And again, happy birthday and God bless you always. Take care. Bye.
Hello mga kabox, ayan. I just want to greet my friend Leah Augustin. Ayan, happy birthday to you. I wish you good health, ayan. Prosperity in life, more blessings, and more friends, especially here in YouTube. Ayan, and I wish soon I will meet you in person. And happy birthday and advance Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.
Hi, Miss Leia. Happy birthday to you. And I just wanna wish you all the best and continuous happiness. And I miss you and I love you. Bye-bye.
Ayan, happy birthday sa akong amiga nga buotan. Matinabangon sa YT, sa kinsay tabangan sa W8. Happy birthday, Leah Sobribiga, aka Leah Augustin YT, sini ang iyang pangalan. Many more birthday to come and celebrate your birthday, enjoy your day, and God bless sa iyo at sa buong pamilya mo, sa anak mo at saka sa asawa mo. Amping ka diha sa ili, hinawatang tanga na apakay daghan ng katuigan mo mabot sa imong kinabuhi, hatag sa Ginoo sa imo uban sa imong pamilya. God bless, bye, love you.
Mega love shout out to you, our birthday celebrant at the Leia of Austin. Happiest birthday, ate. Thank you for everything. Thank you for being an ate in the YT world. And I am wishing you a lifetime of happiness, a smaller amount of worries, and a load of big dreams coming true. So wishing you a magical birthday today, ate, and I hope you will going to have a good day and the year ahead. And God bless you more, ate. So more candles to blow and more birthdays to come. So thank you so much. We are always here for you and we always love you, Ate Leia. Take care always, ate.
Hello, Ma'am Leia. Maraming salamat po dahil po napili niyo po ako na mag-send ng video greetings para po sa darating na inyong birthday. Kahit hindi po tayo nagkita in person, but nagkita lang po tayo sa YT World, parang feeling ko magkaibigan na po tayo, best friend. Okay, so today is your special day. I want to say happy birthday, my dear friend. Maraming salamat po sa tulong niyo po, sa pag-sponsor niyo po sa aking raffle draw. So today, I want you to say happy birthday, wishing you a day full of happiness, laughter, good health, and a successful YT creator. So, maging masaya. Bye-bye. Thank you. I love you.
Hello, Birthday Leia. Happy birthday. I wish you good health. I wish you more blessings and good luck to everything that you do. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Tita Leia! Greetings from Honey Levy and Familia Mesa. God bless you! Bye-bye!
Hi, Ate Leia. Good evening. Ayun, mag-greet lang po ako ng happy birthday sa'yo. Happy birthday, Ate Leia, and happy 28th birthday. Yung 28th birthday ba? Hindi ko kasi alam kung ilang taon, kaya happy birthday lang, Ate Leia, and sana marami pang birthday na iyong i-celebrate sa iyong buhay. God bless all and thank you. Bye bye.
Hailey! Happy birthday! My wish to you is walay lain, kundi good health. Importante man na karong panahon ng atong health. Kay tungod sa pandemic, basta amping mo diha tanan. God bless you. Advance Merry Christmas. Bye-bye. Regards all the best.
Advance Lek, happy birthday. Thank you sa imong ipada. Thank you. Thank you kayo. Kumusta mo tanan diha? Meg, Ariel. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Happy 35th birthday! Yo! Way rabot sa tinaguan! I wish you both long life, happiness, and stay safe. God bless you. Happy birthday again. More birthdays pa to come.
Happy birthday, Tilia. Wish ang luck ka dito. Yung birthday ni mo is be healthy and long life. Thank you and uwi ka na sa Pinas.
Happy birthday, Mama Leah! Hi, Mama Leah! Happy birthday! We wish you good health and more subscribers on YouTube.
Happy birthday, Tilia, and we wish you good health to you and your family, and we miss you, and take good care of your health as well. And again,
Happy birthday!
Mwah!
Hi, Sisi Loves! Sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa Leia of Austin channel. Today is your big day. And happy birthday! Yan. Happy birthday, Sisi Loves! Stay young and sweet. At nandito kami lagi na nagmamahal sa'yo sa YT. Mwah! Enjoy your day!
Hello, Sis Leia! Happy birthday! Ang masasabi ko lang po na sana lagi po kayong good health at sana lagi kayong mag-iingat at sana matupad mo na lahat ang mga pangarap mo at kahit na umangat na yung channel mo, sana wag mo kaming kalilimutan. Nandito pa rin kaming nagsusupport sa iyo. Kaya happy birthday!
Ayan, hello, masayang buhay po sa lahat. Ito po si Puso and I si Ray. Gusto ko lang batiin ang happy birthday ang aking mami na si Mami Leia of Austin. More birthdays to come, Mami. God bless po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Leia. Ayan, more birthdays to come and good health lagi and ingat kayo. Thank you very much, Sai.
Happy birthday, sending my best wishes on your birthday and may you prosper wherever you go and God bless you more. Take care.
Hi, Ma'am Leia of Austin. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come and be happy. Happy lang for me. Enjoy sa LS for me sa ato ang grupo. Basta enjoy lang more birthdays to come, Miss Ma'am Leia of Austin. And you enjoy your day. And more birthdays to come. Happy ko na meet kita sa YT. And always, hopefully, always, sa tanan na grupo na to, happy birthday. Sorry. Basta, enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Tita Lia. Happy birthday, Tita Lia. Happy birthday, Tita Lia. Happy birthday, Tita Lia. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Lex. Stay healthy. God bless. Happy birthday sa akong gwapang na cousin, Lia. Enjoy your day.
Hi, Ate Lia. Happy birthday. First of all, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for being so kind-hearted. Wish you all the best in life. May God shower you more blessings. Stay kind, stay pretty, stay humble, stay positive. More subscribers to come. And that's all. Bye-bye. We love you. Mwah.